Customer come up with this tire, want me to batch it. Of course, you're gonna grind it a little bit, put the glue, fire them up, and then stick the batch and grind it a little bit to make sure no air sneaking in. Put my ignition, always I put my ignition, vacuum the hell out of it, make sure nothing stay around. Now, thank you, my lovely tire machine, to take care of my job. Without it, life would be hard. The valve stamp need to be matched where I put the little charcoal. So make sure I don't balance it again. Now, get the machine doing the job. Voila. It looks good. It fit perfect. Look at match up in the right spot. Looking to the camera, I'm having fun. Almost I get killed. Tire is heavy. Let's go outside and mount it in a truck. It's freezing cold in New England. This is Connecticut, New England.
Don't touch my truck.